Welcome friends to this video guide. I will share with you how to sell your domain in Spaceship. So friends, go to Google, search for this keyword Spaceship, click the first result. After logging your account and set up your accounts, go to all product. You have different things there, product hosting and emails. Go to domain. So friends, from the domain section, you have a marketplace. Through this marketplace, you can buy a premium domains and you can sell your domains. In this case, click list your domain name from here. When you click list your domain names, click start selling. After that, you will see this page. Friends, click import a domain. You should import your domain if you have a CSV file or something like this. And then write your email. You want to sell any domain names. Choose my domain, for example, this hub. So.io, for example, and then choose example, this for example here, and click import domain, and then the domain will be listed and you can see details from here. And then you can choose your upcoming domains that have, you should be verification your domain here. You can add your price for your domain, and for example, you can set up your price, your minimum offer and maximum. You have a sold option here. So actually, this is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.